Hello there, let's talk today about how to reset the Sannce camera. As you can see, my camera is working. I have it here on my cell phone. So if I just move the hand here, you can see that's working. But let's say you lost your password or you can't connect to your camera. So basically what you have to do is just press a button here. Then the camera is going to reset, okay? So let me just show you here the button that here at the bottom of the camera. So here we go. There's a button just right here. Then you just need to press and hold and wait for the message. So I'm just holding the button, waiting for the message.
Restore factory settings. Please don't power off.
So here we go. The camera is resetting. And right now I don't have the image of the camera anymore. Then what I have to do while the camera is resetting, I'm just going to remove here from my cell phone, because I'm no longer have it here. Just come back here to the
System starting up. Wait be configured.
Okay, as you can hear, there's a message that the system is starting up and ready to go. So I'm going to remove from here because I'm no longer have the camera working on my cell phone. This is just information for the previous configuration. Now here I need to start the device again. Remember that I'm using here the ICSee app. Let me just show you here what's the app that I'm using. That's the one. Okay. I see. So you just need to download this from the Apple Store, and then you need to log into your account or create an account, and you're good to go. In here, you just need to select your camera. In this case, a Wi-Fi camera. And here, just click next. The Wi-Fi router needs to be close enough to the camera so the camera can work. I hit next. And here it's important to use a 2.4 gigahertz network. Don't use the 5 gigahertz. Use the 2.4, okay? So here I have my 2.4 gigahertz network. My cell phone is connected to this network. And here's the password, okay? So just click OK. Then the cell phone is going to give the information to the camera. And now the process is just to point the camera, the cell phone to the camera so it can read the QR code. So let me just do this. I click next here.
Connecting. Please wait.
And here I'm going to point the QR code to the camera. Just find the distance here.
Connect to router successfully.
Okay, then I hear the message. And here we go. Now I need to set up a password for the camera. Let me just insert a password here. So here we go. I just insert the password here and then I hit return. Okay. And name the camera. Let's say garage. Hit save. Now it's time to select the way to record. You can use an SD card, insert the SD card into the camera, or use cloud storage. I would just hit next here. This is just a configuration. And hit confirm. I'm not using the SD card right now. Not using alarm push notification. Hit complete here, confirm. And I'm good to go. So the camera is ready to go. Let me just hit the play here. And here we go. The camera is working pretty fine. Okay, with the two lenses. Then I can move here and select what I want to see, which is pretty good. Okay, and then I'm good to go. So that's the way you can reset your Sannce camera. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up and your comments, and I see you in the next one.